Ladies and gentlemen, fonts now work. Like if we add a new canvas, previously you could not change the font. For some reason it just wasn't working. Either it came up with a white screen or, well, it just wasn't working. So they've updated Armory and now it does work. Thank God, it's been so long. So now we can actually add fonts, which shouldn't be a big deal, but it is. So with the editor open, we can actually just go to the assets area. We can drag over a bunch of fonts. These are the basic Windows fonts. I'm just going to drag one that seems pretty distinctive. Let's drag this one. And you just drag it into your assets area. And now we can add some text. We can scale that bad boy up. We can give it a different color so we can see it better. If I can find the color. Set it blue. And now the important part here is the asset. We need to set the asset to the TTF font that we just imported. And remember to save, if not it won't work. Now if you go and run your game, you should see that we have a beautiful font that actually shows up. Now it doesn't show up in the actual editor, the Armory editor, for the 2D elements, but it will show up in the project, as you can see. Now this shouldn't be a big deal, but it is because it's now working. Previously it just wasn't working. So that's a quick video for you guys, and see you next video in part 5, I believe, of the tutorial series. Have a good day.